So, and this is me without the new teeth. As you see, I'm missing a few. Had a little accident, blah, blah, blah. Me with the teeth. So as you can see, a lot better. I had the bigger ones, the mediums, and they were too big for me. But most people didn't know that they were fake. These ones are smaller, so they don't push outside my face as much. And I think people aren't going to be able to tell. So, yeah, thank you. And if you're missing teeth or you really have some oh my god, sorry, I'm new to speaking apparently. But if you need something to cover whatever tooth situation you have and you don't want to buy the ones that the dentists make, the partials or whatever, these work very fine. They work, apparently they're supposed to work with your gums as well as with teeth. Obviously I have teeth for them to stick to, right? Because I have teeth back here and I have teeth over here. I'm just missing these 3, 4, whatever. But yeah, they feel fine. They look fine. They pop in and out. Super easy. Make sure you mold them to your face and let them cool away from your teeth. Pop them back in and you're good to go. Thanks.